Let's be productive. I'm gonna wash some brushes. I just washed my AOA sponge. This is so good, this cleaner. And I'm getting ready to go to an event. I'm gonna do my hair better. I just blew it out yesterday. I'm excited. I'm wearing this dress, thrifted, of course. My necklace my husband got me for our wedding anniversary. I'm to DC alone. Can't even remember the last time I did that. I'm gonna wash some brushes because I don't want to do this on my birthday. So it needs to be done. And let's get her done. I'm excited for this event. And I need to eat before because I'm only have one drink. Don't drink and drive. So stupid. How satisfying that is. Is that all my brushes? No. The other ones are downstairs. But still, I actually cut down a lot. Man, I was trying to put some lotion on and dry shaving because I missed a couple spots. I gotta get better at the laser hair. No, I've had it for a few years, but like, come on. How long have I been shaving my legs? Like 11? I'm almost 30. I'll be 34 tomorrow. Mother-in-law gave me this. I think she got this in one of her, oh, it has sunscreen. Okay. Not like a lot, but whatever. Anything's better than nothing, right? Vacation Shimmer Oil SPF 30. So I had back in the day, Bath and Body Works. I think I put these on at like prom and stuff, but the bottle broke. It was such a mess. And it probably was like super expired, but like this gold, and I don't know, I'm not gonna wear this like every day or anything, but it smells good. Not as potent as like the actual sunscreen. Am I gonna regret my words? But it has a little bit of shimmer. It's nothing like chunky. You can see my Twilight hands. I'm gonna do my base masterclass, which my husband has his thoughts on, but it's not like that kind of masterclass. Kind of like a networking / enjoying my tan while I'm tan / like meet and greet. Yes, I did pay for it. My husband was not. My husband, if you're married to an accountant, maybe you get it. My husband is very frugal, which is great, but I'm like, you know what? I want to kind of treat myself. I never do things for myself, really. And it kind of, not try to get into like religion, but it kind of like fell in my lap. Like one of my friends on here, which I'm meeting her today, was posting about it, and I was literally looking up like things to do for my birthday. And then I was thinking about getting my nails done. This one nail salon was full, didn't have any openings. So I'm like, and then I'm gonna paint my nails. Not like they're gonna be as great, but yeah, all of a sudden I see her posting about this event, and then I'm like, I want to go to that, and it's in DC. So I'm like, hello, is it a sign? I'm gonna start talking about Jesus and God right now, but like, even though I'm more spiritual, I am baptized. I'm not confirmed. I don't think. My mom was like, could you have been able to sit for that? I don't know if I should go off the shoulders, or I don't know. Okay, I'm overthinker. I'm drinking a protein drink, 35 grams, coffee, and some water, and I'm gonna do my base. So I will show you when I'm done, and then I'm gonna paint my nails, because I was like, why would I paint my nails and then do my face, you know? And I never do my face first, but she said come with a base, so we're doing the base. One use. Yeah, you only need a little bit. And I just use like this is usually like a pretty, I wonder if I use another brush, because that usually is, I mean, I like a pigmented blush, okay, I'm a clown. But, which I don't know if we're supposed to do our blush or not. I'm not gonna do a highlighter because we're gonna get highlighters. I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm bringing mascara because I don't know. But also Bella Beaute Bar doesn't do eyeliners, but also I'm like, maybe they're gonna show us something that hasn't come out yet. So anyway, that is, it's glowy, but I've never had a blush like where, I don't know. Maybe I'm being weird. Let me know if I'm being weird. If I am, like, but let's just do our brows. Me do my brows. I'm going to use the Revolution Wrap Brow in the shade Dark Brown. My Eye Method brow pens in the shade Dark Brown. And then I'm going to bring my Dyed Maroon mascaras in green and navy. And I'm going to bring a lash curler. I don't always curl my lash. And then also they're giving us a lippy. I don't know. I wish I had, like, also, I'm hoping that the parking situation is okay. I suck at parallel parking with a passion. So I'm like, please, this is DC. If you've never been to DC, and then I'm going to do my nails, because I don't like having bare nails, but I also suck at painting my nails. So, and I did get this brow pen thing, or I got this nail pen that removes your mess ups, because I am messy. I'm a messy girl. I'm not going to be over here and show you like, oh my God, I'm perfect. No, if you want to see that, that's fine. I want to be as relatable as possible and show you the real, the raw, okay? The frizziness, the zits, the everything. Yeah, just go through the motions and show you my real life. And this is not something we never have events in DC. We're going to do it. I live in Frederick, Maryland. I'm from Northern Virginia. I don't know, give or take traffic, like an hour-ish away from DC. And I'm not used to city parking. While I work in the city, it's not like that. And I do not parallel park. I park in a parking garage. And I'm meeting Ponde Replay, so I'm excited about that. And I don't know, maybe other people that I follow or that she follows. And also a makeup artist. So that'd be kind of cool. And I'm excited to be taught how to do my makeup better, maybe learn some tips and tricks. And they didn't say bring brushes, so I'm assuming they have brushes, but I don't know. I'm being optimistic, open-minded. Base is done. Now I'm gonna paint my nails. Did you go potty?
No.
Lucille, this dog is so stubborn. Realized I think all my base coats went bad and I don't have any. I only have top coats. So let me know any good recommendations on a good base coat. I tried to get the manicures ones and they leaked and shattered in the Ulta package, and I don't know if I can get them in person. Let me know if you know anywhere I can get them in person. I only use cruelty-free and vegan products, but let me know because I do want to start painting my own nails, but I don't want them to stain as well as I want it to stick. So let me know your recommendations. And yes, the brows are browing, but it just looks like that because I'm also not wearing the eyeshadow. This is so, I don't do my face first ever. I want to do my nails though because I want to do my nails. Final look. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's try to DC. Let's go. And I painted my nails. Not the best, but whatever. They're painted, okay? Alright, parked. Did it. Parallel parked. Hopefully parking's not an issue because it says only 2 hours, so, and I'm not getting towed.
The first thing I like to do is get the eyeshadow on your lid here, and then you blend it out above. It's better, then you work your way up. Okay, so you start like, and then as you do that, you blend it up. So I'm gonna show you using, I'm gonna use the shade Night Terror and Dark Dreamscape. And
Money. Back to mom life.
it's
And my lashes are falling off. My eyes were watery, of course. Yeah.
These are the
I know. My ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?